看是哪里？哦，the energy from 8, frequency 3 or 4 is okay, and this you don't have to adjust. Press ready. We can start the operation. But before this, we need to shave the hair. 来，帮忙。
你不要刮太干净，要不然等会儿你捏不起来了。
毛太细了，我的天，有一小片。天。
你慢慢飞。天哪，我竟然感觉到热了。
是吗？你毛都热了吗？行。Move the hand piece. This way, horizontally, then vertically. If the patient feels it is painful or it is hot, you can use a probe to cool down the skin without press the button.
放低一点就行，放低一点，不累吗？这个没事。
Let's go on. And during the treatment, you shouldn't always press the button. After a few seconds, you can stop, press the button. This would be good for the cooling system. Okay.
Why 为什么要横着做跟竖着做呀？
因为它吸光更好，吸收更好。不要老做一面。然后你感觉到热了吗？Can you feel the heat?
Yeah, a little warm, but I can stand. It's okay.
Okay. So during the treatment, you should ask the patient if the energy is okay. If the patient can feel the heat, but it is not painful, then the energy is good. And you should repeat the treatment until the skin turns red and the skin pore open. Then it is okay. You can test with a tweezer to pull the hair to check whether you can pull it easily but without pain.